In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Doge future while talking about Dogecoin cost gauge for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you want to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Dogecoin. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Dogecoin value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Doge is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Doge succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Dogecoin value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Doge and its to-date history. Dogecoin value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and basic evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-02-10 plus 7.18% $0 1025 2023 02 11 plus 7.12% $0 1025 2023 02 12 plus 4.46% $0 0999 2023 02 13 plus 2.47% $0 0980 2023 02 140.26% $0 0954 2023 02 15 plus 0.24% $0 0959 2023 02 16 plus 2.75% $0 0983 2023 02 17 plus 0.27% $0 0959 2023 02 18 plus 8.15% $0 1035 2023 02 19 plus 3.63% $0 0991 2023 02 20 plus 6.87% 10 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2023 blemish plus 2.53% $0 0981 2023 APRA 1.01% $0 0947 2023 May plus 2.62% $0 0982 2023 Jun plus 1.06% $0 0967 2023 Joel plus 11.91% $0 1070 2023 AUG plus 15.62% $0 1106 2023 SEP plus 9.60% $0 1048 2023 OCT plus 22.70% $0 1174 2023 NOV plus 13.50% $0 1086 2023 DEC plus 27.13% $0 1216 2024 Jan plus 29.21% $0 1236 2024 Feb plus 24.80% 11 cents Doge value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees Doge coming to 13 cents in 2025. Dogecoin value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2030. Our anticipating model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2030. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2040. Our estimating model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2040. Will Dogecoin supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Dogecoin won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $1 in the short or midterm period. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $10 in the short or midterm period. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. How high will Dogecoin go? Our gauging model sees Dogecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is Dogecoin worth purchasing? We don't see a brilliant future for Dogecoin. It merits purchasing just as a transient hypothesis with a decent leave system. Dogecoin is definitely not a decent long-haul hold. Is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Dogecoin is definitely not a wise interest as we would see it. Why? Indeed, it faces a furious rivalry from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certified local area, and the group behind the venture is dubious. Could Dogecoin at any point make you a mogul? No, Dogecoin might not cause you a mogul as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from now on. What amount will Dogecoin be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach 8 cents. In the long haul, it will in all likelihood drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed and become more expensive? Dogecoin has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage. It brings no exceptional incentive. It has a powerless group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls Dogecoin to succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible. Dogecoin projections long haul. Most of ventures will fizzle. A few new businesses are made just to assemble reserves and vanish. Some wouldn't deal with the opposition. However, most are simply thoughts that look great on paper, yet truly are futile for the market. Thus, more than 95% of effective ICOs and digital currency tasks will fizzle and their financial backers will lose cash. The other 5% of undertakings will turn into the new Apple, Google, or Alibaba in the crypto industry. Will Doge be among those 5%? Assuming we tell the truth, there isn't a lot happening for Doge to the side of this inviting and passionate local area. It is irrational to anticipate a drawn-out Dogecoin endurance in the event that is the main pivot for the task. Dogecoin is gradually dipping under the market cap positions it was in 2017, with not a single specific premium and genuine use cases to be found, aside of irregular utility and cause tipping. In any case, Dogecoin people group is generally a decent spot for a decent giggle. It is an image realm of digital currency world. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed? Explanations behind Dogecoin to go up and ascend in cost are scant. It is as yet one of the most loved messes around. Even Elon Musk joins the fun sometimes. However, we basically don't see the justification for Doge long-haul achievement. Its utilization case is as of now taken up by Bitcoin and other more serious tasks. Dogecoin could hibernate its way into the future as a wistful worth that early adopters continue loving and utilizing for image and joke purposes. For what reason will Dogecoin fizzle? The greatest danger to Dogecoin is quite possibly of their greatest